What I'm working on here is a Chrysler 200, and when you go over bumps there's a clunking noise, and we're going to change out the stabilizer links. I have it in park, parking brake is set, and I have the back wheels chocked. And if you don't have the assistance of power tools, you'll need to break loose the tightness of the lugs. And I'm going to do that with the impact, and we're going to take the wheel off. Okay, if you live in the Rust Belt, you're obviously going to need to soak down the bolts there. And you're going to need to put a metric hex key in there and a 15 millimeter, and we'll break that loose. Okay, lucked out here, got that off. I actually had to pound a 3/16 in there to get it to fit. And we'll go ahead and do the bottom one. Okay, it's the centerpiece stripped out here, so you're gonna have to take a angle grinder or some eye protection there, and we'll go ahead and cut that off. I'm gonna have to grind on it a little bit, and then we'll take a punch here and knock it out. Okay, our new one here is a little substantially bigger, and it has some grease fittings on there. I filled it up with some grease, and it has a new tightening system. Put an 18 millimeter on the back side there, and you still have your 15 millimeter nut. We'll go ahead and install this now. Okay, to get this top one to line up, just put your jack underneath the lower control arm there, jack it up, it'll compress the spring on your strut, and you can line it up then. Our 18 millimeter on the back and our 15 on the front here. We'll tighten that up. Okay, let our jack down, take this out, we'll reinstall our tire. I'll jack the car up, take the jack out, and jack stand, and put it on the ground. We'll torque the wheel to 100 foot-pounds. Okay, we got our back on the ground. I'll go ahead and torque these to 100 foot-pounds. Take our blocks out.